Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we discuss about the product face liveness detection from a single image via diffusion speed model. Spoofing attacks are one of the security threats that biometric recognition systems are proven to be vulnerable to. When spoofed, a biometric recognition system is bypassed by presenting a copy of the biometric evidence of a valid user. Existing approaches are conceptually simple. Multiple frames are required to track face components, which leads to an increase in the detection time, and highly cooperative user actions are also required. In this project, the system proposed a novel and simple method for detecting face liveness from a single image. The key idea of the proposed method is that the difference in surface properties between live and fake face can be effectively estimated by using diffusion speed. Now we discuss the flow diagram for the process. At first, the input image is taken from the dataset. The dataset is nothing but the folder which consists of the all images. Then the pre-processing is carried out. In this pre-processing step, the filtering is applied. The filtering is nothing but the removing the noise from the image. After the execution of the pre-processing, the illumination correction is carried out. The illumination correction is nothing but if the image consists of the darkened region, then the illumination correction will carried out for the bright corrections. After the contrast adjustment, that is the illumination correction, the face detection is carried out. The face detection is carried by using the Viola-Jones method. In this method, the face region only detected by the bounding box. After the face detection, the face extraction is carried out. According to the coordinates of the bounding box, the face extraction is carried out. In this step, the only face region is extracted and the other backgrounds are eliminated. After the face extraction, the feature extraction is carried out. In the feature extraction, local speed pattern, local binary pattern, and the histogram of the image is taken. These three combined features are known as the test features. After extracting these three features, the classification is carried out. The classification is carried by using the SVM classifier. This is the one type of classifier known as the support vector machine. If the classification result is authenticated, then the green indication will be shown in the GUI window. Other than the authentication result is failed means, then the red indication is shown in the GUI window. After the classification, the graph and analysis is carried out. In this step, the ROC curve, time elapsed, and the accuracy is taken and then plotted. These are the three estimations carried out for the estimation for the graph and analysis method. These are the overall flow for the process. Now we discuss the initial running procedure for the process. At first, you can see the two files, main.figure file and the main.m file. In that, you can select the main.m file and then right click in that file. Then you can see the third option, that is run. Now the initial GUI window was opened. In that, you can see the several buttons in the left side. In the top, you can see the file button. In that, the first option is import image. Click the import image, then the dataset folder was opened. In that, select any one image from the dataset. Then click the button view image. After clicking the button view image, the input image is shown in the axis 1 with the title input image. Then click the button pre-processing. After clicking the button pre-processing, the filtering button is enabled. Then now click the filtering button and select the option Gaussian filter. Now the filtered image is shown in the axis 1 with the title filtered image. Then click the button illumination correction. After clicking the button illumination correction, the illumination level 1 and the level 2 is shown. In that I can click the illumination level 1. Now the illuminated image is shown in the axis 1 with the title illuminated image. After the illumination correction, click the button detect face region. After clicking the button detect face region, the detected face is shown in the axis 1 with the title detected face. Now the detected face is exactly shown in between the bounding box. Now click the button extract face portion. Now the bounding box region only the extracted, now the face is extracted. Then click the button feature extraction. Now the new GUI window was opened. In that click the button feature setting. Now the two buttons are enabled, that is first one is the gamma correction and the second one is the document correction. Now select the gamma correction. The gamma corrected image is shown in the axis with the title gamma correction. Now click the button doc correction. Now the doc corrected image is shown in the axis 2 with the title doc filtering. Now the LSP feature is extracted by clicking the button. The feature value is shown in the table 1 and then click the button LBP, that is the local binary pattern. The corresponding image is shown in the figure and the corresponding feature is also shown in the table. Now click the button histogram. The histogram of the image is shown in the table 2. After extracting the all features, now click the button classification. Now the new GUI window was opened. In that you can see the two buttons classify and the graph. Now click the button classify. If the person is authenticated means the green indication is shown below and the also the text is shown this person is live. After the classification, click the button graph. Now the graph is shown. The accuracy of the existing is the 70% and the proposed accuracy is the 84%. Now the feature time is the 0.5 second and the classification time taken is 1.2 second. The corresponding time bar chart is shown in the axis 2. And also the ROC curve also shown in the figure. Thank you.